DQPAK is a prominent player in the flexible packaging industry in Guangdong, boasting about 32 years of experience in printing and converting materials. The company has established itself as a leading converter for various types of flexible packaging materials, offering a wide range of products to cater to the diverse needs of its clients. Specializing in the production of spout-standing pouches, stand-up zipper bags, retort pouch bags, food packing films, and more, DQPAK has positioned itself as a reliable and innovative partner for businesses in the food and beverage, pharmaceutical, and other industries requiring high-quality packaging solutions. The company's commitment to excellence is evident in its dedication to utilizing advanced printing technologies and high-quality materials to ensure that its products meet the highest standards. With a focus on providing packaging solutions that are not only visually appealing, but also functional and durable, DQPAK has earned a reputation for delivering products that exceed customer expectations. In addition to its extensive product range, DQPAK prides itself on its ability to provide customized packaging solutions tailored to the specific requirements of its clients. By understanding the unique needs of each customer, the company is able to offer personalized packaging options that effectively showcase and protect their products. Overall, DQPAK has solidified its position as a trusted and forward-thinking partner for businesses seeking high-quality, innovative, and sustainable packaging solutions. With its extensive experience, commitment to excellence, and focus on customer satisfaction, the company continues to be a driving force in the flexible packaging industry.